Next to the stage is a 28-year-old who has been performing in talent shows as long as she can remember. In her free time, she enjoys learning different languages like sign language, Spanish, and German. She'll be performing a sign language routine of Praise Him, Praise Him. Join me in welcoming Christine Martin.